on the top of the page, and you see that challenge sticker right here. It might be in a different spot on your page, and it might have a hashtag challenge instead of the trophy. So make sure you update your Instagram app here so you get the sticker and press it. And this is basically how it works. You have to put a hashtag challenge here, but you can't put anything. So if I put run challenge, for example, and if I click away, it says creating new challenges isn't available. So you have to pick from the list of challenges, at least at the time that I'm recording this, that Instagram has. So how would you find out what challenges are available? Well, it's pretty simple. If you just type in any letter here, on the bottom, it will have search challenge. So if I put A, you have all these different challenges like art challenge, arrow challenge. If I put B, I should get a different list of challenges. Some of the most popular ones I'll put in the description below this video, so I'll list some of them for you so you don't have to do your search. But I know stay at home right now. Stay at home challenge is one of those options, and you can see it on the bottom. So that's the first thing you do, is you pick your challenge. Now, if you took the wrong picture in the background, make sure you go ahead through this process again and take the right picture or upload the right video. And then I would have to nominate someone. So you basically are going to tag someone so they know that they're part of a challenge now. So I'll just go ahead and just do one of my other channels here. And you could do multiple people, but I'm going to just press the backspace here. I just want the one @ the one tag here. Then a couple of things you could do. You could go ahead and change the color. So right now I'm on the I nominate. And if I press the color icon, it will change the color of that. I'll leave it as it was. And then the sticker icon, if you click the sticker, you could also change the color and the layout of that. Then when I'm done, I'm going to press done, and I'm just going to put this somewhere where it's easier to read, and you could always resize any sticker with 2 fingers. And let me go ahead and share this to my story here just by pressing your story on the corner, and I'll show you what happens when other people see it. So when someone clicks on your challenge, this is what they see, and if they click it, it says try this challenge. So they could press try this challenge, and then they could go ahead and take their own picture here, and then it says nominated by, and then they could put this sticker anywhere, and then they could tap it to nominate someone else. So it'll kind of have that ripple effect of someone nominating someone, they complete the challenge, and they nominate someone else. So that's basically how this challenge sticker works inside of Instagram stories. Again, look in the description below for a list of challenges, and you could also do your own search by just typing in A, B, C, D, and you'll see all the challenges on the search option below. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.